First, wash your hands.
Today we're gonna make bagel with cream cheese. So for that, you're gonna need to have a toaster, a plate, a knife, like a butter knife, and cream cheese. And last but not least, you're gonna need
Bagel!
Okay, you're gonna take your bagel and you're gonna tear it or cut it in half. These are pre-cut. So you have 2 halves of your bagel. You're gonna put it in your toaster. And then my toaster has a button that says bagel, so I'm gonna push that in. And I'm gonna turn the dial to about 3. It depends how dark or light you would like your bagel. Okay, and then I'm gonna need to pull the lever down. Okay, when your bagel is ready, you're going to carefully lift it out, or use something plastic to pull it out, little tongs. And then you can add cream cheese or butter or whatever topping you want for your bagel. So you're gonna spread it. So you cover the whole bagel with as much as you want, or as little as you want. Okay, when your bagel's done, you're ready to eat it.
Return bagels back to the pantry. Put cream cheese in the refrigerator. Wash your dishes.